Give me a hell yeah.
Hello everyone! It's Tuesday! And you know what that means? It's now time for our gold review dito sa Tuesdays, Taboo Tuesdays, only on Harriet. And today we are having some special announcements. We are reaching one sub away from 6,800 subscribers. So, maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe, sa mga sumuporta dito sa ever-growing channel natin. At ako ay nagsasabi na maraming salamat po. At hindi ko to ma-achieve na wala ang tulong nyo. It is at my service. Kasi ang i-review natin ngayon sa Taboo Tuesdays ay Servidoras. Servidoras is the latest movie from Viva Max. And it is around 51 minutes long. So, technically it's under 50 kasi di ba pinapakita yung mga trailer ng Viva Max bago yung palabas. So, ayun. So, kung gusto nyo pa ng balita tungkol sa mga iba't ibang bold review, pakilike na lang po ang video na to para mapunta tayo sa For You section ng YouTube. Hit that subscribe button and that bell icon for more of that bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. So ayun, Servidoras is a movie starring Chloe Jenna, Ayla Cruz, and Denise Esteban. So si Chloe dito, teka, check natin yung check natin yung names ng Servidoras. Okay. So si Chloe dito ay si Rina. Si Ayla Cruz, si Lizelle, at si Denise Esteban ay si Donna. So, ang kwento nito is each of these three girls ay meron lalaki sa buhay nila. They are either a waitress or a cashier sa isang cafe, kaya Servidoras. And together they're living in a dorm and looking for their dream man. And their current partner dito sa story to, hindi nila nakatuluyan in the end. So, spoilers. Pero we will go through the story of Servidoras on why hindi sila nagkatuluyan. So, the movie starts with Donna requesting for advance on her allowance and she meets her owner. So, yung kanyang bossing, medyo romantically involved kay Donna and in exchange sa advance payment, nagkaalik sila sa likod. And dahil doon, nasweldohan rin sina Rina sa si Lizelle. Next up is si Rina. Meron siyang kinakasama na ang pangalan ay Rigor, na may asawa na. Okay, so pati pa naman dito, yung Rigor may asawa na. That's messed up din. Ang bansang pangalan ng lalaking may kabit, Rigor. Kawawa naman tayo dito. Hindi na tayo na ewan. Rigor. Nagtalik sila. And the next one is si Lando. So, si Lando ay ex nitong si Lizelle nung high school. Nagkita sila. Si Lando ay kasal na, pero dahil mag-ex sila, mahal pa rin nila isa't isa at sila ay nagtalik. That's Act 1. Act 2 is the happy part. So, nagpahito sila, ano yung buhay nila. They're more on enjoying their life as being mistresses dito sa mga tao na may kabit. And then the act 2 ends na nalaman natin na may asawa pa na to, mga lalaki na to. And then act 3, yung asawa ni Rina, kinumpronta si Rina, si Lampal. And then the next day, yung asawa naman uh, ni Donna, which is the manager of the cafe, siya may kumumpronta kay Donna at sinisati siya sa trabaho at hindi naging sila ng kanyang bossing. And lastly, yung asawa ni Lizelle. Yung asawa ni Lizelle, medyo, ano naman medyo may pagka-empathy. Dating kasi nung asawa ni Lizelle is hindi siya minamahal ni Lando. Ay, asawa ni Lizelle. Asawa ni Lando, sorry. Yung asawa ni Lando, hindi siya minamahal ni Lando. Pero minamahal ni Lando si Lizelle. And ang pakiusap lang ng asawa ni Lando is lumayo na. And the wife actually offered help kay Lizelle. Na if they ever need something, go reach out to her because technically, nag-empathize yung asawa ni Lando sa kabit and it saved her family. Yun yung sinabi, niligtas mo yung pamilya ko. Yun yung sabi niya sa dulo So, yeah. This concludes to final sex scene ng tatlo sa kanilang mga kabit and nagtayo na ng sariling negosyo yung mga servidoras. Ang gusto nila, simple, rich, and pogi. SRP. And that's the recap of Servidoras, the plot. What do I think? It's a pretty mid-movie, pero maganda yung kwento naman. It's very straightforward, pero yung pagdating sa yung mga eksena, yung mga mature na eksena, parang nakulangan ako. Okay? I mean, si Denise Esteban, consistent na kukulangan daw dito. Chloe, nag-improve naman. Pero kay Ayla, I think dito ako medyo sobrang nakulangan. Pagdating sa kwento, it's good naman. It's not something you can go and brag about to the Oscars or to the FAMAS. Okay? So, it's pretty straightforward. Napaka-basic. It's like, tatlong babae na may kabit. Ang maganda lang dito is, isa sa mga asawa, nung kinakabitan nilang asawa, naki-empathize sa kanila. Okay. So, what do I think? What tier should I give the Servidoras? So, punta tayo sa tier list. Tier list ranking na tayo. For today's Taboo Tuesday edition, Servidoras, I'll just give Servidoras I think it's just about bearable. It's pretty mid, pretty straightforward, nothing to write home about. Okay? Ayan, so that's my review of Servidoras. Let me know what you think in the comments, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your Taboo Tuesdays. This is your boy, Harriet, and he is formally announcing ako ay na-promote sa trabaho. We're gonna look forward to a brighter future with all of you guys. Goodbye and good night. Bam.